Every single day, your arteries are quietly becoming clogged, and your doctor won't mention it until it's already too late. But there are powerful drinks that can help open your arteries and significantly reduce your risk of heart disease naturally. Most people believe clogged arteries are simply the result of bad genetics or aging. Today, I'm going to share 5 drinks backed by human clinical evidence that help reduce visceral fat, lower inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammatory markers such as ApoB-CRP and triglycerides, lower fasting, blood sugar, and insulin. Not only that, these drinks also help repair the arterial walls and increase nitric oxide, allowing your arteries to clean themselves more efficiently. Drink 1. Pure unsweetened pomegranate juice. The Artery Repair Superfood. A study published in 2004 in Israel followed patients with carotid artery stenosis. They consumed 30 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily for 1 year, and the results were shocking. 30% reduction in arterial plaque thickness, 12% reduction in systolic blood pressure, up to 90% reduction in oxidized LDL, a dramatic increase in antioxidant capacity. This was not just prevention. This was actual reversal of arterial plaque. Pomegranate contains powerful compounds called punicalagins, which reduce oxidative stress, lower LDL, cholesterol, decrease inflammatory markers such as CRP and IL-6, improve insulin sensitivity, helping burn fat more efficiently, increase nitric oxide levels by 23%, allowing blood vessels to relax and widen. How to prepare this drink? 20 to 40 ml of 100% pure pomegranate juice, 240 ml of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, juice of half a lemon, a small pinch of high-quality salt. Mix well and drink before your first meal of the day. Drink number 2. High-quality coffee with olive oil, grass-fed butter, and sea salt. Research shows that high-quality coffee can reduce all-cause mortality, improve endothelial artery lining function, increase nitric oxide, lower blood pressure, reduce inflammatory markers such as CRP, improve fat burning by increasing insulin sensitivity, lower the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 40%. High-quality extra virgin olive oil rich in polyphenols improves vascular function, helps reduce visceral fat, especially fatty liver. Grass-fed butter rich in butyrate reduces inflammation, helps the body produce anti-inflammatory ketones. Sea salt supports adrenal function, helps maintain healthy nitric oxide production. How to prepare the drink? 12 ounces, about 350 milliliters of high-quality organic coffee, 1 tablespoon high-quality olive oil, 1 tablespoon grass-fed butter, a small pinch of high-quality salt. Drink this in the morning, ideally about 90 minutes after waking up. Avoid drinking it after 12 p.m., as it may interfere with sleep. Drink number 3, cacao. The Artery Opening Power Drink. The benefits are clear and well documented. Increases nitric oxide, lowers insulin, supports fat loss. Raw cacao is rich in flavonols, which have been shown to increase nitric oxide production, improve endothelial artery lining function, increase arterial flexibility, reduce arterial stiffness, lower blood pressure, reduce oxidized LDL, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, increase HDL, good cholesterol. A major Harvard study published in 2006 titled Cocoa Flavonols Improve Blood Flow found that people with endothelial dysfunction who consumed flavanol-rich cacao experienced up to a 400% improvement in flow-mediated dilation (FMD). A 2015 meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cacao flavonols Lower systolic blood pressure. Lower diastolic blood pressure. Reduce CRP, a key inflammation marker. Lower fasting insulin. The Cosmos study 2022 involving over 21,000 participants showed a 27% reduction in cardiovascular events. How to prepare this drink. 1 teaspoon organic raw cacao powder. 240-300 ml warm water. 1 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon. A small pinch of sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon raw honey, optional for taste. 1 teaspoon MCT oil. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button so more older adults can see it and subscribe to the channel. We share new senior health tips every day, and you won't want to miss the next video. Drink number 4, apple cider, vinegar and cinnamon. Insulin control drink. Research shows that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce post-meal blood sugar by 20 to 34%, lower triglycerides, increase feelings of fullness, support fat burning. A 2018 study found that apple cider vinegar lowers fasting blood glucose, reduces HbA1c. When taken before meals, can reduce post-meal blood sugar by up to 34%. Cinnamon enhances these effects by improving insulin sensitivity, lowering fasting blood sugar, reducing inflammatory cytokines. How to prepare this drink. 1 to 2 tablespoons organic apple cider vinegar, 240 ml water, 1/2 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Drink this before the most carbohydrate-heavy meal of your day. Drink 5. Golden turmeric latte. Artery repair drink. Turmeric, when combined with black pepper, which contains piperine, has been shown to significantly reduce key inflammatory markers such as CRP, IL-6, fibrinogen, and oxidized LDL. It also helps reduce visceral fat, the dangerous fat that surrounds your internal organs. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory nutrients known, and it has been shown to effectively lower CRP levels. How to prepare this drink. 300 ml, about 10 oz, unsweetened coconut milk, gently warmed. 1/2 teaspoon high-quality turmeric powder. A small pinch of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon ginger. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 tablespoon grass-fed butter or liquid ghee. This is an evening drink that helps burn fat, calm and soothe the arteries, reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. I truly hope this information has been valuable for you. Please share your experience and thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And thank you so much for watching.